The 2026 Toyota Camry versus the 2026 Hyundai Sonata. Let's find out which one of these sedans strikes a more impressive blend of convenience and performance. The overall Camry lineup has higher EPA ratings than the overall Sonata lineup. Camry has a convenience advantage over Sonata thanks to standard features like dual-zone automatic climate control, a Qi-compatible wireless charger, and an available head-up display. Camry offers all-wheel drive on all grades, while Sonata only makes it available on the SEL Sport. Now, let's put Camry and Hyundai Sonata side by side. For 2026, the Toyota Camry rolls with 5 grades: LE, SE, the Dramatic Nightshade, XLE, and XSE. And they all have a standard hybrid powertrain. Sonata has 6 grades: SE, Blue Hybrid, SEL Sport, SEL Hybrid, N-Line, and Limited Hybrid. A hybrid powertrain is available on select grades. Camry's exterior offers sharp looks matched with smart purpose. The sporty SE and XSE grades have racing-inspired functional aerodynamic air ducts, front side canards and rear diffuser, and aluminum sport pedals. For drivers looking to make a dramatic entrance, Camry Nightshade includes a gloss black finished sport mesh front grille, air curtains, front side canards, and a rear sport lower diffuser, along with a black painted rear spoiler, side mirrors, and exterior badging. Plus 19-inch alloy wheels finished in satin black. Sonata answers with its N-Line specific exterior details: N-Line front and rear fascia, grille, and twin-tip dual exhaust, and 19-inch alloy wheels. Camry offers a clean and convenient way to bring the outside in with an available power moonroof or an available panoramic glass roof with front power tilt and slide moonroof. Sonata only has an available panoramic sunroof. And where Camry ups the style with available two-tone colors. That option isn't available on Sonata. Inside, it's all about comfort and convenience. Both Camry and Sonata have available heated and ventilated front seats, along with an available heated steering wheel. Camry comes standard with dual-zone automatic climate control to help keep passengers comfortable in their individual seating areas. But on Sonata, it's only available. And where Camry's Qi-compatible wireless charger is standard, with Sonata, it's only available. Camry has an available 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster designed to help make sure info is dynamic and accessible for the driver. Sonata has an available 12.3-inch LCD cluster. But Camry has an available 10-inch head-up display designed to help project important information in the driver's line of sight. And Sonata has no equivalent. Camry offers innovative in-cabin tech with the Toyota Audio Multimedia System. It comes with a standard 8-inch touchscreen or an available 12.3-inch touchscreen. For Sonata, a 12.3-inch touchscreen comes standard. Camry's Toyota Audio Multimedia System includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and supported music apps. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy for users to stay connected to their Android devices and seamlessly access their favorite maps, media, and messaging apps, including Google Maps and YouTube Music, directly on the vehicle screen. Sonata only has standard wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Camry has a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin and even more on the SiriusXM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Sonata also offers a 3-month SiriusXM trial. Select Camry grades include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. Sonata offers similar features through its BlueLink Plus trials. Camry heightens the listening experience with an available 9-speaker JBL premium audio system. Sonata has an available 12-speaker Bose premium audio system. With the 2026 Camry, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard. It brings a full range of assistance features, including pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Sonata comes standard with Hyundai SmartSense, which has similar features to TSS 3.0. Camry has standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert and safe exit alert, while Sonata has its standard blind spot collision warning and rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist. Both sedans elevate convenience even further with Camry's available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking, and Sonata's available parking distance warning, forward, side, and reverse, along with available parking collision avoidance assist, rear. Camry also has an available panoramic view monitor on the XLE and XSE grades, while Sonata has available surround view monitor available only on the limited grade. Rounding out the cutting-edge driver assistance features, Camry has available lane change assist, rear cross-traffic braking, front cross-traffic alert, and traffic jam assist with an active Drive Connect trial or subscription. Sonata has available highway driving assist. Camry delivers refined and energetic performance. It comes standard with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid powertrain. Camry offers 225 net combined horsepower on front-wheel drive models and 232 net combined horsepower on all-wheel drive models. Sonata's standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine only makes 191 horsepower, while the available hybrid system has 192 net combined horsepower. It does offer a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine with 290 horsepower on the N-Line grade. For drivers looking for added engineering that's as precise as their path on the road, Camry has electronic on-demand all-wheel drive available on all grades. With Sonata, available all-wheel drive is limited to the SEL Sport grade only. Drivers can get a sportier feeling with standard Sport Tune suspension on Camry's SE, Nightshade, and XSE grades. Or on Sonata, it's standard on the N-Line grade. Camry's standard hybrid powertrain delivers impressive fuel economy with an EPA estimated 51 miles per gallon combined rating on the front-wheel drive LE grade. Sonata's grades lag behind at an EPA estimated 32 mpg combined on the SE grade. Its blue hybrid grade matches Camry at an EPA estimated 51 mpg combined rating. Every new Camry includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance and 2 years of unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Hyundai Sonata has no scheduled maintenance, but it does include 5 years or unlimited mileage roadside assistance. Camry has a 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, whichever comes first, and 5 years or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, whichever comes first. Sonata has a 5-year or 60,000-mile limited warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, whichever comes first. Camry also includes a hybrid system warranty that covers select components for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and an additional 10-year or 150,000-mile battery warranty, whichever comes first. Sonata Hybrid offers a 10-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system components warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 100,000-mile hybrid electric battery warranty, whichever comes first. The 2026 Toyota Camry blends sophisticated style with spirited performance. It's the full package loaded with comfort features and coupled with a fun drive. Discover everyday thrills at Toyota.com.